Hello. So today I will show you how to connect Klaviyo with MailChimp. So this is my Klaviyo dashboard and this is my MailChimp audience. You can see. So let me show how to connect those. So on this option you can see integration part here. So here click all integrations option and search and MailChimp. So let me click it. So so it's asking for API key. So let me go to MailChimp here. You can see this is my MailChimp. Okay. So this option here and option profile here. Then put extras and API keys here. Okay. So let me create new API key. Call it Klaviyo generated key here. And done. So I have the API key here. Let me click here and connect. So it's showing integration updated. If you just edit the image integration, we are scanning data and you can watch the progress on dashboard as you continue use. So it's mean when new data added on Klaviyo, the data will send to MailChimp list. Okay, so create Klaviyo list from MailChimp audience. Okay, only scan contacts from his audience. And create Klaviyo list from MailChimp audience. Yeah, so let telecom list of your audience. Enter echo list of your audience IDs. Like let me work with this here. So this is the audience, right? I want to work, don't fly. The ID is this ID. Let me update this. So let me check all and okay. So the integration is completed. So let me check is there any changes. So let me check on Klaviyo distance segment here. Yeah, you can see my all MailChimp for list added to Klaviyo. So I have four list Dronefly, Fiverr, 3 Give Away Media. So all are here on the Klaviyo. Okay. So if let me check, let me add a new subscriber. So if any new data came to MailChimp, it will go to Klaviyo, right? Old, uh, old and from. So let me tag it for class MC. Okay, so let me add it here. So it's adding. So new people added on this. So I think they need some time here for update the list. So yeah, you can see the MailChimp data already added to the list. Yes, yeah, this is the address I added on MailChimp. So it's done. I hope you understand the video.